Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. Now we will see something about in and not in operators. We already discussed about one magic that is and is not. These are all the membership operators. This is and is not, and now we are going to discuss in and not in. All these are called as the membership operators. Now we will see what these two operators will do, that is in and not in. Okay, I'm going to open the Python interpreter. You can use any IDE. Okay, here uh, okay this in and not in operator, these operators usually, and that means usual, no, they will always we will use in list. That means we need to define some list first, then we need to use the in operators. That means it would go on the list. For example, I'm going to define one list a equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, then I'm checking whether the value 3 is in my list or not. So I can just type 3. Okay, 3 in a. Okay, here the a has to be list. If we use the in, then this a has to be list. Okay, 3 in a. If it will check whether the value 3 is in a or not. If it is there, it will give us the true. If it is not there, for example 6, okay, 6 in a, it will give us the false. So we can check even with the strings high in a. You can see it's the false. But I'm going to define another list b equals to okay 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and here high. Okay, now I will check okay high in b. You can see it will return us the true. So we can check whether any element is inside our list or not by using this in operator. Similarly, not in is exactly the opposite of this. For example, 2 not in b. That means it will check whether the 2 is not there or not, like that. So if it is there, then it will return us the false. If it is not there, then it will return us the true. 2 not in b, 2 is already there, so it has to return us the false. Okay, then we can check even so here I will just going to write hello, 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 okay, hello not in b. You can see it will return the true because hello is there. No, hello is not there, so it will return us the true because we are using the not in. If we use hello hello in b, you can see now it will give us the false. I think you hope understand the between in and the not in, and similarly I think you remember those is and is not. These are all the membership operators in the Python. Yeah, thank you.